Hi students, very good morning. In the previous video, we have started the lesson The Desert Region. Now, we will revise the things which we have learned in the desert regions are. Okay, we will go from the first page. So, you will remember the things which we have learned in this lesson. See, this is the desert region. In this desert region, we have learned in the desert area, we get a little rainfall, otherwise a less rainfall. And we have learned about the desert region, where is it exact located. Now, from this, we have learned hot desert, cold desert, climate, and plant life. Okay, even we have learned about the animal lives, which are the animals, sheep of the desert. Now here we have learned about quick check. These two questions I have told you to write it in your notebook. Find the answer of these two questions, and we have learned about did you know. Okay, so now in this lesson we are going to start with the people life which they live there in the desert area. Desert are sparsely populated. Now see this desert, in this desert we cannot find huge population, lots of population, less population you can find in the desert region. This is because the condition in desert make it very difficult to live there. Why there is less population? Because this desert area it's very much hot. Okay, and this is not suitable for human being to live there in the desert area. It's very much difficult because of hot. The Arabian Sea, the Sahara, and the Gobi deserts are inhabited by some nomadic tribes. And if you see this Arabian, the Sahara, Gobi desert, in this desert, the nomadic tribes we can find. You know that what is nomad? The nomads they are wandering in search of food. So some are like these tribes. They are go on the Sahara and Gobi desert for some times to live. They are not permanent people of their this desert. Nomad are people belonging to a tribe which travel from place to place. Now I have explained you what is nomad. Nomad means the people they are from a belonging one tribe. The tribe which is travel, which is go place to place for search of food, and they are always moving from one place to another. The Tuareg are the nomads of Sahara, and the nomads, one of the tribe which move from place to place. It's one Tuareg. Tuareg, it's the one kind of tribe which is the nomad from of the Sahara. The nomadic tribe of the Arabian Peninsula are called the Bedouins. Bedouins. Okay, and the nomadic tribe of the Arabian Peninsula is Bedouins. Okay, the name of the tribe they have given, which are from the Arabian Peninsula. They move from place to place in search of fresh pasture of their cattle, and this nomad they are wandering for the pasture of their cattle. They live in large tent made of animal hide. See, and they are living in the large tent which made up of animal hide. The third the Thar is the most densely populated desert in the world, and this Thar desert it's the dense population we can find in this Thar desert in the world. And Oasis is the fertile area in the hot desert. See, this Oasis, it is the fertile area in hot desert. Oasis plurals of Oasis. This osas means plural of oasis. Have these oases have water in the form of spring or pond, and this oasis they have water in form of spring of pond. People and animal rest here while traveling in the desert and get food, water and shade. And the people and animal, those they live there, they rest here traveling in the desert, they get food, water and shade. They get food, water, and shade. There are villages and towns around oases, and these oases, in these oases nearby, you can find the towns and villages around it. Date palms are commonly found on oases. These palms are commonly found on the oases. Cold deserts such as the Cold deserts such as the Atacama are used mainly by scientists for the purpose of study. And the cold desert, we have learned about this Atacama. On this Atacama, the scientists are going, but only for purpose of study. They are not going there for living for a long time, only for study. The scientists they are going on this Atacama because it is very much cold. Since the soil and other conditions of the Atacama are similar to that on Mars. Instruments for future mission to Mars are tested in this desert. See, the soil and the other conditions of the Atacama. If you go on Atacama, if you find the soil and the conditions of the Atacama, they are similar to that on Mars. If you compare this Atacama and the Mars, they are similar with each other. Instruments for future missions to Mars are tested in this desert, and some of the instruments are investigated for testing. They are using this Atacama desert. The instruments which are going to use in future missions, they are tested in on the this Atacama desert. Native people from the Arctic region of Alaska, Canada, Greenland, and Russia are called Inuit. Okay, see, the native people which are living on the Arctic region of Alaska in the United States, it is Canada, Greenland, and Russia, they are called Inuit people. Okay, if you read, you will understand it very much because it's very easy for understanding. Now, unlike the Arctic region, the Antarctic region does not have a permanent population. See, unlike the Arctic region, the Antarctic region does not have. See, Antarctic region also does not have permanent population. The nomads can find there on the Antarctic region because it doesn't have the permanent population. The only people who stay there are visiting scientists, and the people those they are visiting this Antarctica, they are scientists. They are not living there on a permanent time. There are scientific stations in Antarctica where scientists are conducting research on geology, astronomy, environmental science, and climate change. And the scientists they are going there for study. The scientist stations in Antarctica where scientists are conducting, the scientists they are having research on the geology. The scientists they are having research on geology, astronomy, environmental science, and the climate change. For these four purpose or more than this four purpose, the people they are, the scientists they are going on Antarctica region for only study purpose. The population on the Antarctic region is not permanent. It is like a nomad. Now, mineral wealth. The Sahara has oil and natural gas reserves. If you consider about the Sahara Desert, it has oil and natural gas reserves. We can find these oil and natural gases on the Sahara Desert. Diamond and copper have been found in the Kalahari Desert. And if you see the diamond and the copper, we can find this diamond and copper on the Kalahari Desert. In the desert region of the state of Arizona in the United States, gold has been discovered. Now see, in the desert area, in the desert region of the state Arizona in the United States, if you go in the United States, there is the Arizona. It has the gold discovered. In the Arabian desert, petroleum called crude oil or simply oil. See, in the Arabian desert, this petroleum was discovered. Okay, this petroleum was discovered in the Arabian desert, and this petroleum is called crude or oil, simply oil. Petroleum is very important fossils fuel that is much in demand all over the world, and this petroleum, it is very much important fossils, okay, oil fuel, and this petroleum is very much demanded in all over the world. In the all over the world, petroleum is needed. Because of this, Saudi Arabia, UAE and some Arab countries have become wealthy. And why they become wealthy? Because they have the oil, natural gases, diamond, copper, gold, all are the expensive things we can get in the desert area. Even as well as the petroleum is discovered in the desert area. Because of this, the Saudi Arabia, UAE and some Arab countries, they have become wealth because of this important and wealthy things which we can get in this desert area. Okay, now here is the quick check. Filling the blanks. Moss and dot dot are found on the rock of the Antarctica. The question is, moss and dot dot are found on the rock of the Antarctica. Second, the discovery of dot dot made some of the Arab country rich. The discovery of dot dot made some of the Arab countries rich. The answer of this you have to write it down. Now, did you know the Rab al Khali, which is the part of the Arabian desert, it's the largest region of continuous sand in the world. Rab Ali Khali means empty quarter in Arabic. They have given very important two lines here. The Rab Ali Khali, see the name they have given, which is the part of Arabian desert. It is the part of Arabian desert. Is the largest region of continuous sand in the world. If you go, it is the largest continuous sand region in the world. Rab Ali Khali means empty quarter in Arabic. And this Rab al Khali means the empty quarter in Arabic language. See students, which are the things we have learned, I'll show you. See on the screen, you will get it, the things, the points which we have learned today and the previous videos. Have eye on it so you'll remember the things which we have learned. Thank you.